Hi everyone, welcome to this video on modal verbs. Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary verb that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use modal verbs correctly in your sentences. Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary verb that express different degrees of necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Some of the most common modal verbs include can, could, may, might, must. Continuing from the previous slide, other common modal verbs are shall, should, will, would. Modal verbs are used in various contexts to express different meanings. 1. Expressing ability, she can swim. Can shows ability. 2. Expressing permission, may I leave early? May shows permission. Continuing from the previous slide, other uses of modal verbs include 3. Expressing possibility, it might rain tomorrow. Might shows possibility. 4. Expressing necessity, you must finish your homework. Must shows necessity. 5. Giving advice, you should see a doctor. Should shows advice. To form sentences with modal verbs, use the following structure. 1. Structure subject modal verb base form of the main verb. She can play the piano. Here, can is the modal verb and play is the base form of the main verb. They might go to the party. Here, might is the modal verb and go is the base form of the main verb. Continuing from the previous slide, for negative sentences 2, negative form subject modal verb not base form of the main verb. He cannot come to the meeting. Here, cannot is the negative form of can. We should not be late. Here, I should not is the negative form of should. Let's practice with a few sentences. Choose the correct modal verb. 1. You must finish your assignment by tomorrow. 2. She could speak 3 languages. 3. Might I borrow your pen? 4. They shall be here by now. Please add your answers in the comment section below. Pause the video and see if you can get them right. Here are the answers. 1. Must. 2. Can. 3. May. 4. Should. To recap, modal verbs are essential for expressing necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Remember to use the base form of the main verb after the modal verb and practice using them in different contexts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.